Now student, we are going to discuss next question, question number 9.9, and in this question it is given to you a steel cable with a radius of 1.5 centimeter supports a chair lift at a sky area. Okay, fine. If the maximum stress is not exceeding 10 to the power 8 Newton per meter square, what is maximum load the cable can support? Clear? So now let us try to understand. Radius is given to you 1.5 centimeter. I can say this is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Clear? Now it is also given maximum stress. So we can say maximum stress is given by 10 to the power 8 Newton per meter square. Clear? Sigma maximum 10 to the power 8 Newton per meter square. What is maximum load the cable can support? Clear? So if I am saying here stress, or we can say if I am talking about maximum stress, clear? So maximum stress is given by, I can say maximum load divided by area. Clear? So now we can say this is 10 to the power 8 equal to maximum load. Clear? Maximum load means we can say this is my objective, so I can say maximum load I will calculate. And what about total area? Because it is given having radius this one, so we can write area pi r square. This is cross sectional area. Clear? So I can say pi r means 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Clear? From here we can calculate maximum load. So I can write like this, F maximum, this is given by 10 to the power, or we can say first pi 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 multiply. I can say maximum stress is given by 10 to the power 8. Clear? So now we can say this one we have 11. So 11 multiply 9 divide by 7 into 10 to the power 4. Clear? So we can say this is value of maximum force. Clear? So I can say 99 by 7 into 10 to the power 4 Newton. Clear? So now if you calculate, you can give me answer. This is 1, we have 2 left, so that is 4, we have 1 left, and this is 14.1 into 10 to the power 4 Newton. So we can say this is a maximum force that can be bear, or the maximum force that can be supported by this cable. Clear? So this is all about this question.